Hello everyone, I'm here today with Rebuff Reality and we'll be going over how to assemble the VR ears to your VR headset. So first let's go ahead and unbox these. So first we just open the nice hard shell box. Here off-world, listen off-ear. So in the main blister, we have the main body of the VR ears along with the attachment clips, both left and right. We have an accessories box and the instruction manual. So inside the accessories box, we have one short 3.5mm audio cable, one coiled 3.5mm audio cable, one USB-C charging cord, and one Allen key. There will also be 2 spacers for the attachment clips and 5 sets of silicone inserts.
The first thing you want to do is detach the VR ears from the attachment clips. Loosen the hex screw with the included Allen key by turning it counterclockwise by 1 full turn. Do not unscrew it completely as it will become disassembled. Try turning the clip to see if it's loose enough to turn it. Make sure it's not too loose that it's wobbly.
Okay, and our first step will be matching the silicone inserts with your appropriate VR headset.
If you're using the Oculus Quest 2, please skip this step because Quest 2's silicone inserts are already installed out of the box.
So in the accessories box, you'll have 5 sets of silicone inserts, and these will work with the compatible headsets. Each set of silicone inserts will come with 4 pieces, and they will all be labeled top left, top right, bottom left, bottom right.
The silicone inserts should be nice and flushed with the clip when it's properly installed. If you can't make the silicone inserts fit properly, it's probably because it's in the wrong place. Please check the left, right, top, bottom marking on the silicone to make sure they're at the correct location.
Okay, after you've selected the correct inserts for your attachment clips, it's time to attach these to your VR headset. So today we'll be using the Oculus Quest 2. And the first step would be just to unscrew the top knob to deassemble the attachment clips. And these will come into 3 different pieces, and don't worry about that. This is totally normal. So when installing the attachment clips, always remember that the screen, the VR screen, will be the front. So this will be left and this will be right.
You will want to put the clip about this position.
So today I'm going to show how to attach the VR ears to the attachment clips. So once again, you'll take the VR ears, which are both labeled left and right. You want to make sure that this is always the back of the VR ear and this is the front. So we have left and right. And if you want to have better cable management, you can just go ahead and tuck the cable in there. So after we've attached the VR ears to our VR headset, it's time to adjust the positioning so that you can have your optimal audio experience. So there are 3 ways we can adjust the positioning. First is going to be the position of the attachments. Here you can just unscrew the top knob and you'll be able to move them forwards and backwards. The second adjustment is the extension, which is this part. You can move up and down. And the third will be the rotation of the VR ears. So there are 5 different angles, and right now we are in angle number 1. So after we've done this, it's time to take off the VR headset and adjust it for ourselves.
We want to have the VR ears centered directly over your ear canal, and in order to do that, you need to feel the VR ear's position as well as feel your outer ear and make sure that they're lined up. And then essentially keep playing with it and move it into the perfect location. When you do, you're going to have a really nice sound come out, as well as you can ask a friend if it looks like this and covers your ear, and that should be good to go.
After you find a comfortable positioning for your VR ears, now it is time to lock the rotation in place. So we're going to go ahead and take them off, and we're going to detach the VR ears from the attachment clips. And once we do that, you'll see that each has a hex screw, and this is what we'll use to lock the rotation in place. Constant use and adjustment over time can make them loose, so this part is really important. So go ahead and grab your Allen key from your accessory box and tighten. Make sure not to over tighten, because this can harm the VR ears over time. Once they're tight, you go ahead and slide them back in place, and they will be locked in position.
And the last step is to connect your 3.5mm audio cable from the VR ears to your headset. Try to manage your cable around so it's not blocking the Quest 2's camera.
So after attaching your VR ears to your VR headset and adjusting it properly, now we're going to take a little look at the interface. To power the VR ears, we'll just turn the power button on, hold it for 3 seconds. After you hear the sound, you know that it's on, and you can also see the blue LED light. Next, we have the volume control.
Make sure the volume on your headset is all the way up so the VR ears can access the full audio range and high fidelity of your headset. And adjust the volume on the VR ears to a comfortable level.
Last part, we have a USB-C port. This is for charging and also for a digital audio input. And to power off the VR ears, once again, you will just hold for 3 seconds, listen for the sound, and you're finished.
The burn-in process for VR ears is very essential, as it is for most high-end speaker systems, so we recommend that you use the below video link and play it through your VR ears for several hours each day until you have optimum audio performance.
What's great about VR ears is it's future-proof. As new headsets come to market, VR ears will support all future leading models. Current compatible headsets are the Oculus Quest, the Oculus Rift S, the Vive Pro, the Vive DAS, the Valve Index, and also the PSVR headsets.
When switching between headsets, don't forget to loosen the hex screw to free the rotation of the VR ears, so you can adjust for the best position on the new headset. Then repeat locking the rotation section to tighten it down again.
If VR ears are too close or touching your ears, this is where the spacers can help out. So you want to remove the VR ears from the attachment clips. And then insert the spacer into the attachment clips. And finally, attach the VR ears back into the spacers. If you own a VR Power, which is another awesome product from Rebuff Reality, and you want to use it with VR ears, make sure you follow these steps to have it work properly. Make sure the VR ears USB-C port is connected to the 1A or the leftmost port of the VR Power. And the 3A or the middle port is connected to the Quest 2's USB-C port. And the 35mm audio cable is connected from the VR ears to the Quest 2's audio jack. Only when these connectors are made can the VR ears charge by VR Power during use.
Hey, this is Joe, the founder and CEO of Rebuff Reality. Thanks a bunch for watching the tutorial, and even bigger thanks to our Kickstarter and Indiegogo backers. If you guys haven't ordered VR ears yet, we really recommend you do, because it fundamentally changes the feeling of being in VR. I'll see you all there.
If you do accidentally disassemble it, follow these steps to put it back together. We're going to use the left side for demonstration. So if you're assembling the right side, just mirror the instruction for right side. First, we find this half circle part. The L marking side faces up. Circle edge faces the right, and place it back on. Then we're going to put this rubber ring on. And then the clip with 2 ears, match the round and straight edge to the previous component and make sure the L marking side faces up. And finally, put the hex screw in and tighten it down with the Allen key. Make sure you remember to loosen it for a full turn after you've tightened it, so you can rotate the VR ears. Then just pick up from the locking rotation section after you've adjusted it.